KuCoin is a worldwide platform designed for the purchase and sale of various cryptocurrencies. It provides a diverse range of features and trading options, encompassing everything from digital tokens to advanced trading bots. The platform, which was launched in 2017, operates as a global cryptocurrency exchange, offering a variety of trading options to its almost 6 million users. These options encompass spot trading, margin trading, futures contracts, as well as lending and staking. KuCoin claims to offer the most advanced security levels available, in addition to a wide selection of almost 400 different cryptocurrencies. Even with its wide array of features, it remains a beginner-friendly exchange platform, boasting a sleek and user-friendly interface. The platform also levies some of the most competitive fees within the cryptocurrency space. The price of many popular trading platform tokens is currently on an upward trend, and this includes KuCoin's native cryptocurrency, KCS. Since August 21, 2020, the token has experienced a 700% surge in its value, captivating the interest of cryptocurrency investors. And with a circulating supply of 81,118 tokens, it rewards its token holders with daily bonuses. The initial total supply for this token amounted to 200 million. However, the implementation of a burning strategy ultimately decreased the final count to approximately 170 million. The platform tends to prioritize listing small-cap cryptocurrencies, particularly those that demonstrate significant potential for substantial growth. Additionally, KuCoin provides access to a comprehensive and diverse range of cryptocurrencies, including those that are not as widely known. In addition to this, it boasts one of the most generous profit-sharing incentive programs. A significant portion, up to 90% of the trading fees, are given back to KCS holders. Collecting cryptocurrencies on KuCoin provides users with an excellent opportunity to generate passive income, and there are many advantages to becoming part of the KuCoin community. In addition, those who accumulate more than 6 KCS tokens also get the opportunity to earn daily rewards. And just like any other platform, KuCoin has been specifically designed to enable its users to securely purchase, sell, and store a diverse range of various cryptocurrencies, either through the use of their official online platform or dedicated mobile applications. Even though you can register an account using just your email address or phone number, it is also possible to do so. Upon successful completion of Know Your Customer verification, you'll gain access to advanced features, benefit from reduced fees, and unlock various reward opportunities. Regarding the KCS, it offers a multitude of applications and uses. Its purpose extends beyond merely covering trading fees. It also facilitates participation in various events and token sales hosted on the KuCoin platform. KuCoin also provides a trading bot facility, making it simpler for users to trade once an account is created and a deposit is made. Users are able to input specific trading information, allowing the bot to assume full control of their trades. The trading bot utilizes market information and analysis, along with various other tools for price analysis and predictions, in addition to incorporating user preferences. The bot subsequently leverages this collected data to strategically execute buy and sell orders in response to price fluctuations. The KuCoin trading bot assists cryptocurrency traders in making money even as they sleep, by not only recouping their initial investment but also generating a net profit. The KuCoin trading bot additionally offers long-term trading strategies. Rather than committing several $1,000s to a cryptocurrency in a single transaction, users have the option to program the trading bot to systematically invest smaller sums at regular, predetermined intervals over an extended period. This is the KuCoin interface. Access the KuCoin website and then click Sign Up. You can complete your registration using either your mobile number or email address. Enter your email, save it, then click Send Code. An email with a 6-digit code will be sent to you. You will simply copy and paste it into the following field. You must enter a password that includes both letters and numbers with a mix of lowercase and uppercase characters. It also needs to contain special symbols. After that, just click Sign Up. After registration, it will display options to purchase cryptocurrency using a Visa card or via a deposit. Deposits are made by sending funds from another wallet. This is the KuCoin platform, featuring multiple wallets, including your main account, which securely holds all your funds. There's also the trading account, where you will transfer money to engage in trading and currency purchases. To do this, simply click on the transfer button located beneath your main account, and a new window will then appear. Select main account on the left and trading account on the right. Then, choose the currency you want to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. It's not possible to trade using the funds held in your main account. You must first transfer them to the trading account wallet. There is also a futures account wallet and a Pool X account wallet. To verify the account, click here, choose KYC verification, and start the verification process. The initial verification step allows you to deposit 1 Bitcoin into your account and conduct daily trades of up to $1,400. To begin, click Start Verification. In the first field, please enter your country. If your country is not listed, you have the option to select Other. Please enter your first and last name, then choose your preferred verification method from either a passport, ID card, or driver's license. With this particular platform, you are only required to input the number from your ID, passport, or driver's license, and no photo upload is necessary. Click the Submit button. If you're looking to deposit an amount of $100,000 or more, you will need to completely verify your account to ensure its security. Click here once more, then select Account Security. You'll find many security options available, which you can choose from or enable all of them. The most important and superior among these options is Google Verification. Therefore, you'll need to download the application to your mobile and connect it to your account, as previously demonstrated in our videos. Providing your phone number is also an excellent option, but it's currently unavailable for specific countries such as Syria and Iraq. You will need to click on Set and then send code for the code to be delivered to your email. Copy and paste it here, then enter your country, phone number, and the code sent to your mobile phone, and then click Activate. Another one of the most significant and essential security features on this platform is the trading password, which prompts you to input a secret code whenever you initiate a request to send money or conduct a trade. From your wallet, which acts as an extra security step in case your account is ever compromised. Click on Set and then press Send Code to receive a verification code in your email inbox. Enter it here and you'll be able to choose a 6-digit code. It is essential to commit these numbers to memory, as forgetting them could lead to the complete loss of all your funds. Navigate to the Trade section and choose Spot Trading to access the trading interface. First, enter the secret code to unlock trading and buy currencies. To buy cryptocurrencies, click the arrow to select the one you want to purchase. This is the currency chart, and here are the boxes for buying and selling. It's better to always keep it on spot and not futures. There are 2 ways to buy and sell. The first is the limit order method, where you choose a specific price to buy or sell at. Once the currency's value hits your specified price, the buy and sell orders are automatically processed. The second method is a market order, where you buy or sell at the current market price. To successfully transfer funds from any of your personal KuCoin wallets, you need to navigate to the main account section. Once there, you will then need to locate and select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. Then click Deposit and choose the network you want to use for the transfer. This is the particular wallet address you'll use for transfers from other platforms, and each cryptocurrency has its own unique address. KuCoin is a renowned trading platform that delivers sophisticated trading capabilities right to your fingertips. Its interface is intuitive enough for beginners to understand, yet robust enough to provide avid investors with the opportunity to achieve steady income. In August 2021, KuCoin made it onto Forbes' list, being recognized as one of the top cryptocurrency trading platforms. Share your opinions and questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.